Hello and namaste everyone. If you are new to my channel, then it's me Suprina, back again with a new video, and this time I tried this tie-dye thing. Actually it is a very fun DIY to do at your home, basically when we all are self-quarantined. So if you don't know what is tie-dye, then tie-dye is basically the process of tying and dyeing the cloth. In this process, cloth or the fabric is tied by using strings or rubber bands, and then the dye is applied on the cloth, on the certain part of the cloth. This is how you achieve the tie-dye. During this process of tie-dyeing, there were trials and errors, but the outcome has come out really nice. So if you wanna see how I achieved that tie-dye, then please do watch the full video so that you can gain some idea. Since people were using this chemical dye, which I didn't had, so I was looking for another option, and I found this video on YouTube where they used like natural ingredient to dye the clothes. For this video I used onion peel, turmeric and red cabbage. These things are really easily available at your home, and you can also try this out. So without doing further ado, let's get into the video.
So for the first one, I'm taking this basic white t-shirt, which is easily available in everyone's closet. And the other one is this white off-shoulder top. So for the onion peel, nobody has this much of onion peel in their home because we all throw it away after peeling the onion. So what I did was I asked the shopkeeper uncle for the onion peel, which he had already thrown it away in the dustbin, so I had to collect it back from the dustbin. And yeah, you can also do the same if you have someone you know.
So guys, I have already started seeing the color. It's like orangey color. So yeah, now I'm gonna strain it. Hey, I'm so excited.
So you can find different types of tying technique. For me, I like this crinkle technique, which is a lot easier. What you gotta do is start grabbing the fabric from one side and crinkle it, bring all the fabric together and tie with a rubber band to secure it. You'll need a lot of rubber band for this technique. So after that, I started pouring the dye. Make sure that the rubber bands are really tight. This will not only hold the fabric together but will help to prevent the dye from seeping through the folds.
I'm gonna let it sit for like 30 minutes and then transfer into plastic bag. So guys, for the next cloth I was going to use turmeric. Maybe now I'm gonna switch and use red cabbage. Yeah, let's boil this and then do the same thing that I did for the first one. The color seems blue. What the hell is this? Should I add some salt or vinegar? I thought like it would be purple color, but it looks so blue. What should I do? Maybe I'll add some salt. See. So now I'm gonna transfer this shirt in the plastic. Earlier it was blue, but after adding the salt it became a little bit purple. now I'm gonna let it sit for like 6 to 8 hours. So now I'm gonna do my other stuff, and yeah, I'll see you guys after 6 to 8 hours. So guys, it's the next day and I put the dye for the whole night. It's been like 17 hours. So this is what it looks now. This one, it has got a little bit darker than yesterday. It's smelling. Now I'm gonna put some vinegar and then wash this with some detergent. I'm so excited and nervous. Let's go and put some vinegar first. Wow! Did you saw what just happened? Oh my god! Kimago! Grief! I don't understand what is going here. I just added vinegar and it turned again into purple. So guys, as you can see, there is nothing. The color has already faded. So I thought like I will be using turmeric dye for this one.
So this turmeric is actually homegrown in our vegetable garden. You can also use the powdered turmeric that is available at your home. So yeah, here's the final result, guys. Though I expected the color to be more brighter, but after drying, the color got way lighter than I thought. So yeah, I also did a DIY transforming both the top into something else. So if you wanna see, then comment down below. I was really very excited for the onion peel dye, and it turned out exactly what I thought, and I'm really very satisfied. So if you also try this tie-dye, then please DM me your picture or tag me on my Instagram so that I can see how you guys did. And yeah, do try this out, guys.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, and I love you all. Bye bye.